Hey y'all, we're gonna be unboxing a vintage Barbie today. Let's check out what's in there. Ooh. This is the box she came. Ah! It's a really nice box. And what else? Thanks much. Let's see what she looks this way. She's cute. We're gonna have to fix her lipstick a bit, but maybe wash her hair. Pretty. So yeah, she came in this cool outfit. I don't know if it's vintage or what. It looks nice though. Really pretty. So came with some shoes too. Okay guys, so let's see. Okay y'all, so we've got Barbie here just chilling in her brightening jacuzzi. And we're just gonna wash her up. Put a little bit of this, let me show you. This stuff. So yeah, just leave it over there for a while. And yeah, she'll get a little bit brighter, okay? Polydent for dentures. Okay y'all, so today we just got with this clearasil, and when she came she actually had like this red mark here. Maybe she was wearing like a red bathing suit. You can barely see it now, like the brightening wash kind of worked. It just kind of lightens her skin just a little bit, and it just takes away any kind of stain she might have. Yeah, I put some on her face just so we can kind of get all that dirt off her, brighten her up back to her original color. Yeah, a little face mask here, Barbie. Hey y'all, so she is here. She has some clearasil on her red marks on her arms still. This is probably like the 10th time that we've done this. I don't even know, 12th time, Barbie? Yeah, she said this the 18th time. And I actually just painted her lips just now. They are not the best. And I just hand painted them with some acrylic paint and this tiny paintbrush. So, yeah, she's looking really cute. Her hair is really good, actually. I didn't wash it yet. But I don't think I'm going to, just because the wave, it feels like it was never really brushed through or anything. Here she is, looking fabulous. I gave her a bunch of accessories, real fur mink, and as you can see, she doesn't have any more red on her. All the stains came out. Like this video and subscribe if you want to see me restore more vintage Barbies. Thanks for watching. Bye.